video is going to be a full tutorial on how I achieved this look. Before I get into the deets on this hair, let's just get into how laid this wig is, y'all. I was not expecting this wig to be that lit, but you guys will see that in the video. But this hair is from Eunice Hair. You guys are probably pretty familiar with Eunice Hair on YouTube already, and I have reviewed their hair in the past. But this wig, I don't know, y'all, this was something really different. So like I said, this hair is from Eunice Hair, and this is their 13x6 transparent straight wig, and this is in 26 inches, and the density of the wig is 180%. And honestly, this wig feels much thicker than 180%. I don't know how, but this wig is very full like this. And also I did a different technique this time. I initially was going to glue this wig down like I did in my previous videos, but I am in a rush and I was like, I need to hurry up and put this on. So I decided to do a glueless install with this wig. I know I have about 2 videos on my page already saying that I did a glueless install, but y'all, this is 100% glueless. No hairspray, no Got2b glue, no freeze spray, just an elastic band and mousse like on the baby hairs. But this is literally only with an elastic. Oh Lord, I don't want to mess up my hair, but look at that. This raises up. I'm not even joking right now. This is crazy. But you guys are gonna see how I finesse this look. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. I literally had to use my phone to achieve my baby hairs, cutting the lace and everything other than looking into here, but that's kind of far away. So I was literally on my phone looking at how to cut the lace and the baby hair. So don't judge me. The only thing about this hair is that it didn't really hold the curl how I wanted it to, but I feel like if I put flexi rods in it, it'll be able to hold that, you know, day curl, because these were just curls that I had in clips. It was kind of like pin curls. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you guys stay tuned, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and also leave me a comment on how you think I did. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, so I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, but I just wanted to show y'all how this parting is. Thank you, Jesus. This wig had a deep parting. I hate 13x4 partings, but this one was a 13x6 and it was perfect. So I also went ahead and plucked the middle part. I went with a middle part for this look. I was gonna do a side part, but I was like, let's keep it simple. But I'm also plucking that hairline. As you guys can see, this hairline was not that dense, so I didn't really have to do a lot of plucking. But of course, being me, everybody just likes to customize their own hairline. So I'm just showing you how it looks before I plucked it and after I plucked it. And I'm gonna do that to the other side, and then we're going to get to curling. Let's explore our love. Okay, so I totally forgot I cut layers in this hair, child. How can we forget about the layers? But I ended up cutting a few little layers in the hair. I just wanted to give it some volume. The hair was just really flat and long, and with 26 inches, you know, you have to create volume, because if not, it's just going to be a flat look. As you can see, the other side is just blah. So we put a little layers in here, and it's going to look nice when it's all curled. So to the curling, I'm using a damn near $200 curling iron, and honestly, I don't really think this curling iron is worth it, so you don't have to use this curling tool to get these desired curls. But I will have it still linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out and buy it. But you can use just any curling iron. This was not necessary, but this is what I had for now. But I'm curling these curls diagonal just so it can give it a little more volume and flow, and I'm gonna do that throughout the rest of the hair, and then we're gonna go into the install. Okay, so next day we're ready to install this hair. Okay, so I removed those wig combs that were right there just because I'm going to sew an elastic band right there so I can have my glueless wig. As you guys can see, I sewed it right where those little combs were. So I went ahead and put my powder already on my wig cap, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the lace on this wig. And guys, bear with me. Like I said already, Jesus, I did not have a mirror. I had to look through my freaking phone camera this entire installation process. Oh Lord, I ordered a mirror, so this is the last time this will be occurring, but yeah, just bear with me. But I cut off those ear tabs, and this is not new to you all. I always do this, cutting it off with a little razor so it can have, you know, those little frayed ends and not a harsh line of demarcation. So you guys, don't forget to always check that description box below for all of the products I use in my videos. Even if I forget, let your girl know in the comment section below and I will correct it and put it in the description box. But y'all, this brush, I will have linked below. You can't just use any brush when you're doing your edges on your frontals. A lot of them are too thin, a lot of them are too hard, too soft, too flimsy. You just have to have the right brush, and this one was perfect. Like, I had so much control over my baby hairs, and it was just the right density, and the bristles were perfect for me to get that control over my baby hair. So y'all, get this brush. It was lit, and I had no problem with my baby hair, so make sure you check that out in the description box below. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. Alrighty guys, so this concludes the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be perfecting my technique for my glueless wig, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those future videos because I really like this. Slip on, slip off, and go out the door, honey. So I'm going to be trying these in my future units, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Eunice, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.